the next video. So this would be 4. Last one was 3. We've got these people over here. We've got those ones next in line. We've got the one set up now. Shaking because I'm next to some people that are in the way. This one's about to go. Alright, he's ready. You're ready. Got the grip. Good, good. Okay, okay, he's doing good still. Right. Oh, no, stalled. Oh. Right, send out. Right. Yes, Jack. Oh! There, you went into
Yeah, he's got to put the power down.
Come on! Oh! There's definitely going to be fire coming out of that one. There's fire! There's like sparks coming out. Something went clunk forward. You don't hear it?
Any second. That's the change.
It's literally black. Has he done that? Or is it
Come on, burn it. I think the front of the tractor, when it went clunk, went boom, snapped off. But that was that one. He did good, but then yeah, he was gonna have fire if he tried hard enough. Yeah, when he changed, it went spark, spark, and then bang. But I think I'm not gonna keep this on for the next one because this one's actually going quite slow. Holy! Oh, he's lost it! Oh! He had a gust of smoke at the start, but then got the grip. Oh no! Killer tractor, no! The tractor!
Yeah.
Go to the side. Night! It's got night shift on the side of it. It did good before that happened.
They got to pull it back so it gets straight up to literally.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, happy day.
Oh, Dad, I think they're going to try that now. think they're gonna try and like flatten it.
I don't think you can get it out. Really.
Yeah. Unless they go move that barrel and go and that stick and go up and then down. But I don't think so. Wait until the oh yeah, he's free. Alright, wait until the next one. Wait. About to go, I think. I think he's checking the chain. Oh, there we go. Yeah, listen to that engine. Oh, look at that engine. Oh, whoa. That pipe. You see the pipe to the exhaust closer to us. That one was disconnected because it like bounced when it stalled. Dangerous. Alright, he's free. Next one is soon. Whoa, I forgot about this. This one got a really bad start. It like tilted. Oh wait, whoa! That wouldn't, where that dust like, or where that like mound is, not that big mound, but that little mound there, that's around where you have to get to win. So your back tyre, so the big tyre, has to hit that for you to win. Right, now it's been taken back by a massive tractor. Yeah, this is all tractors. Except from that thing. But next one is soon. Right. Alright, he's going. Oh, whoa! Ow. None of them have been out. Can't believe it. Yeah, and also I'm gonna have, I wait until that goes there, next one pulls up, and you guys just get to like skip all that, so see you when the next one. Bye!
Barriers down as we come in.
The guy he's still revving his engine. Like from, there's a bunch of whistles going off. Tractor in a cup, tractor in a cup, Alright, time for the next one. This one I have belief in. We've got plenty more to go. This one's about to go. Oh, Daddy's got massive tyres. Getting in the right. Yep. Off he goes. Really wish I brought my horn with me. Got it at home. I cleaned it and stuff. Got it at home. I think his chain came off. Do you know that? Something came off. Definitely something came off. Unless it was that chain that it's connected to. Wait, let's listen to it while it's going. Yeah, that sounds normal. It must have been that chain. Oh, he's next. I think he's next. Oh, they're going up in line. Hey, look. I got cold. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it now, or like, yeah. For me, I'm pausing it. For you, I'm not. But okay, see you in a minute. Technical difficulties with this. It's like, oh whoa. We might be changing, I don't know. Yeah, we're changing. The one with the cab up was meant to go next.
Nah, it's going to push him back into his spot, isn't it?
Oh, friendship. I don't think his engine's working. Because if I'm right, when at the end of all of them, they redo it, probably in his last game, he burned his engine out. Right, they're working together to get back in, but don't want to make you guys wait. Oh, it's burning. Alright, he's back in place and he is moving. Ready to go. Oh, sounds like a motorbike. Whoa, that one went. Out. Did do a nice try though. Alright, he's in a spot. Alright. Oh, look at the sun for a sec. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I just scared the sun for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds and look in the sun. Oh god, everything's blurred. Okay, and he's just parking back up. He's just revving his engine for no reason. Whoa, that jumps back. Oh. Dad, bring me the boat. Whoa. Whoa!
Sorry.
That's really bad. He should have went on the other side. Oh! Get smoked! Come on, get to her.
The crowd.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go run in the smoke now. Oh God, smoky out here. I'm in the smoke. Smoky. Alright, bye. Where's his exhaust? Okay. Tracing it. Oh. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill, dude. Oh. Yes. Oh, the chimney. The chimney literally went. The chimney was literally like burning from the inside. There must have been fire then. You wouldn't see it, but probably inside the tube, it was going like whoa. The end of it. They stopped. The wagons down there. All of these tractors stopped. Alright, that's the end of tractor pulling. Bye!